Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and I have an unboxing for you. This is what I am unboxing. It's thin, but it is going to be fun because it's my most favoriteest thing in the whole wide world. And it is called Snail Mail Sticker Club. Now, there's a fun little thing that most of you don't know about me is I have a stationery fetish. I don't know why, but I just absolutely love and adore stickers and silly little things. I just love stickers and notebooks and stuff like that. I do. I'm just a little kid at heart and I just love stickers and notebooks. I do, and I just can't contain myself when it comes to stickers and notebooks. I don't know why. I've always been that way, and I probably will never change considering I'm 50 years old and I still haven't changed yet. So, I do not know too much about the Snail Mail Sticker Club, but we are going to learn together. So this is fantastic stickers. Every month you can share them, send them, collect them. It's sticker joy. And this is $11 a month, I believe. Now it says 12 months, $11, 3 months, $11.25, or month to month is $12.95. So it says we deliver joy. The Snail Mail Sticker Club is a monthly pack of fun stickers and goodies sent to you every month. You can share them with your family or keep them to your collection. What do you think I'm gonna do? Nobody's getting my stickers. Nobody. Either way, we are spreading joy one sticker at a time. Join the Sticker Club for a dose of screen-free fun for the whole family. We focus on creating one amazing sticker pack for everyone with a fun, super mix of stickers. What will you get each month? It's a surprise. Maybe shiny stickers, puffy stickers, scratch and sniff stickers. I didn't even think they made those anymore. I remember them in junior high. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love those. Snail Mail Sticker Pack is sure to brighten up your mailbox and your day. Oh, I think I'm just gonna fall in love with this. And it says each includes over 10 various size sticker sheets, frameable 5x7 postcards, 2 beautiful affirmation cards, and other fun surprises along the way. And it says you get 10% on all purchases in the sticker shop, and that's opening this fall. You get free shipping to Canada and the USA, $6 worldwide, amazing gift for sticker lovers and planners, scrapbookers, grandparents, kids. Okay, great gifts for anyone who doesn't love stickers, right? And one amazing pack of stickers is perfect for all ages. The more, the merrier. So let's get this open. I have already unsealed my sticker envelope, and I'm going to let you take a peek. And then it says, "Happy Sticker Mail. Did you know this is our very first mailing?" Ooh, we're so honored and grateful that you've trusted us to send you joy this month. This month's affirmation is, "I am up for the challenge. You may not know how yet, but you've got this. You are up for the challenge. You can do hard things." Share the second card with someone who needs the reminder. Here are our favorite stickers this month. What are yours? If you use the hashtag Snail Mail Sticker Club when you share, you could win bonus stickers in the June pack. Llamas are making an appearance next. Many blessings, Alexa, Scott, April, Leah, Ember, and Jackson. Aww. Oh, it's a mom and dad and their children. Aw. And then there's the card I just read to you. Aw, it's a little family affair. Okay, so I'm just going to pull out everything. And try and pull out everything. Come on out. I think I'm going to pull out everything. Okay, so here's my little bundles. And it says, thanks so much, Holly, be blessed, Alexis. And that is the person that sent me this to review, which I am very, very behind, and my apologies. There is the beautiful, beautiful card, and I believe it says love on it. That is very beautiful. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And it says, thanks for your review. And then there are some, here are all the places you can find us. And it wants me to link all of the info, and I will leave that down below so that you can find them on Instagram, Pinterest, and I'm going to turn my computer, speaker down so you don't have to hear that dinging. And here are some important deets that you may need to know. It is $12.95 a month. Discounts if you purchase 3 or 12 months. Bright fun envelopes full of 10+ stickers, sheets of all types, big frameable postcards. I think I just read all this to you, but I will reread it in case I missed something. 2 affirmation cards for you and a friend, free Canadian and US shipping, $6 international, subscribe by the end of the month, ships free on the first Monday, and a coupon code. If you use Holly20, you will save 20% off for your first month with the Snail Mail, right? Snail Mail. Am I saying, let me say it right now, Snail Mail Sticker Club. Use the code Holly20 right down there. I will leave it across the screen so that you can get 20% off your first Snail Mail Sticker Club box. Okay, oh, we have a lot of stuff going on here. Okay, so here are our affirmation cards, and it says, I am up for the challenge. And yes, I am. I so am, and I have one for myself and one to share. I think I'm going to share one with my husband. We are up for the challenge. Yes, we are. Okay, and then I have my postcard. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, you're awesome. That's so cool. I like how they make it into a frame so you can frame it. I like that. That is very cool. I like that. And then your stickers come in this nice little neat bag so they don't fly all over. I like that. And that is a cute little sticker too. Okay, so there's all our stickers. Okay, let's pull some stickers. Oh my goodness, look at the cactuses. Maybe if I put it against this bag. Oh, now they're falling. There's our first set of stickers, and they are raised up too. As you can see, jewels. I love it, love it. Oh, I just love that. It's like a little garden. There's a little fork, a little rake and shovel, and then the jewels for the, that is beautiful. Just beautiful, shiny little stickers. Love it. And then we have little bees. Aren't they just beautiful? Beautiful little bees. I love those. I'm holding it up to the white so that you can see them. And then we have some green stars. Beautiful shiny stars. I love that too. These are just gorgeous stickers. Oh my goodness. I can't tell if these are like Mr. Potato Head or if They are jelly beans, which would make me very hungry. I did not have lunch, so they are gorgeous. Oh, no. They're scratch and sniff. Look, and they are jelly beans. Scratch and sniff ones. Ooh. Mmm, they smell yummy. They do smell yummy. I want to smell the pink one. Mmm, they smell yummy. Which makes it even worse for me because I just said I am very hungry and these smell very yummy. Mmm, they smell yummy. Now I want some candy. They smell yummy and they look gorgeous. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, next sheet out is, it looks to be buttons, maybe. Wait, let me flip it around here. I'll do it this way so you don't get distracted from the beautiful buttons. Aren't they just beautiful? They are beautiful. Beautiful little buttons. Oh, and gorgeous fish. Look at the detail of them stickers. Just gorgeous. Love it. Oh, these would be cute to make a card, maybe for like a baby shower. That would be so cute. Beautiful balloons. Maybe for even a birthday party. That would be gorgeous. And that is glitter on there, raised glitter. That's beautiful. I love them. These are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Those would be nice on a Christmas card. Those are gorgeous. Love it. Very nice. They're very shiny. There. Now you can get a good look at them. Nice shiny room I have now. Lots of lighting. Love them. Very nice. I'm hoping they're not too reflective for you. Hopefully. Very nice. Okay. Up next. My granddaughters would love these ones. My granddaughter's probably watching going, oh, Grandma, those are cute. They are, oh my goodness, balloon animals. That's what they are. Oh, so super cute. Oh, I'm trying to let you get a good look at them. Super cute. They almost look hand-drawn. Don't they look? Almost. They almost look hand-drawn. I want to say that they are hand-drawn. These are really, I have never seen stickers like these. These are very unique stickers. And there's a hippo, a giraffe, a tiger, panda, a monkey. Very unique stickers. A snake. Very unique. I love them. And I think we are on our last one. Yes, we are. Aren't they just amazing? Woodland animals. They are beautiful. Beautiful. What did you guys think? I like this box. Of course, I'm a cuckoo over stickers anyway, so I like this. Anybody else a sticker girl out there? Or I mean, you could be a sticker guy and love stickers. And I just got a whiff of the scratch and sniff. So let me know which one was your favorite sticker paper, or did you just love them all and are you a crazy sticker girl like me? So if you would like to get your own Snail Mail Sticker Club packet and join the Snail Mail Sticker Club yourself. I'll leave the link and the details down below so that you can go ahead and sign up for your own little packet, because I think these are just adorable. These, I'm gonna have so much fun with these. If they survive my grandchildren saying, Grandma, I think I want those. So if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my channel. I would love to have you join my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video real soon. I think I need to go find myself some jelly beans because those smell delish. So I'll see you next time, y'all. Bye now.